Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. Now in this video I have with me a new setup with my books tablet. So this is a books tablet. I have this with me for some time now. Basically it's an e-ink tablet, an Android tablet with an e-ink screen. So if you might have remembered in my previous video I have used a different keyboard, but that was giving me some quality control issues and basically it's not working now. Earlier some keys went, then stopped working entirely. Now I had to buy this one. This is a Logitech keyboard, and this is a keyboard that just delivered today. So this is the box which I've just received, and basically in this keyboard I have an option to pair three devices. Right now I have just paired this tablet, so let's just go ahead and do some C coding on this Android tablet. So first and foremost, what I have done is I have installed CxxDroid. This is an application where we can compile the C and C++ code. So I've installed it already. So let's go ahead and open it. And this is the default template, the preloaded template that is there when you boot up the application. I don't like it, so I'm going to change it. So what I'll do is I'll just click here for options. I'll just go ahead to settings, and from settings let me see the so here it gives you option of edit new file template. I'm just going to click on that. Now it will take me back to this screen, or basically the file. So the new template is a CPP format, but let's just keep it as it is. And what I'll do is I'll just change the code a little bit. So what I can do is I can just click tap somewhere here and use the keyboard to navigate. Now you can see I am in the main function. I'll just simply go ahead and delete all of that. I don't need that. But what I'll need is the input output. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and type in the pound include and then I'll just add the library. So a standard input output library. Now this will be the default template that I want to appear when I boot up the application for the first time, and I'll just go ahead and save that. Okay, so now if I open up the application again, the new file will always have this format. Okay, so let's go ahead and just write a simple code. I'll just say printf, and let's just print hello. So now what I can do is I can just go ahead and click on this play button, and basically what it will do is just run the code for me. Okay, so it's getting an error. So unlike Python, you need to end all of your code in the C language with an semicolon. So I believe now this should work. So let's just go ahead and run it. So here you can see the program has run perfectly. It says hello, but if you want to actually compile this code, then what you can do. So firstly, what I'll do is I'll save this file. Let's go ahead and click on save, and it says I'll need to allow the file access. Let's not do that. What you can do is you can just click here. So this is the folder. What I can do is I can just go ahead and enter any file name. So I'll just say frst, this is my first file, and instead of cxx or cpp, I'll just give it an extension of c. So this is going to be my file name. It will be in the default folder. Let's go ahead and click on save. Okay, so this file is saved, and this is the name, and this is the file location on my tablet. What I'll do is I'll just simply go ahead and click on the menu. Now let's just go to the terminal. So this will just go ahead into the default storage folder of this application. And now what I need to do is use this terminal as if it is an Linux terminal. So what I'll do is I'll just write ls, which is list. So I can see my file is over there. It is in that folder. This is a C file. And now to compile this, what I need is clang. Now you might have learned to use GCC to compile a file, but that might not work here because this is an Android application with a built-in clang compiler rather than a CGCC. So let's just go ahead and write the command to give an output. File has a compiled code. So I'll just write this command, which will compile the code in the file, the srt.c, to the OUT executable output file. Let's just click enter, and it has compiled my code. If I click on ls again, then you can see there are two files now, the C code and then out. So what I'll do is I'll just execute this out file, and to do that I'll simply put a dot, then and slash, and then the file name, and you can see that it has executed the code hello over here. Now why it is in that the extension of the file location is because in my code I didn't give an line break. So let's just do that. Now this will add an break in the line. So let's go ahead and save it. And now if I go back to the terminal and compile this file again, then I believe it should be fine now. frst.c-o, and again I'm going to put the output file as out, so it will override that file, and you can see that this has compiled. And if I run this command now, you can see I have a line break after hello. So now I have compiled the C code in the terminal as well, and if I don't want to compile it on the tablet, I can simply go ahead and just run this code simply as an simple code without compiling, and this being an e-ink screen will be not too harsh on the eyes. So that's why I feel that it is a good sort of an alternative to an laptop. But yeah, like if I talk about my code, then this code runs fairly well, and with the terminal built in, I can do all the compilation that I want, or even without compilation I can run the code and check how it would be, if I compiled it. So this is a good way to execute your codes in C and C++. So this is the new setup, guys, that I have made for myself with this with this keyboard. So let me know in the comment section below what do you think about it, and if you find this video helpful or interesting, then please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos in the future. Thanks guys, take care and bye.